Ever tried watching a video on Chrome and suddenly no sound? It's frustrating, right? Well, I've got you covered. Let's get that sound working again in just a few easy steps. First, let's make sure Chrome is allowed to play sound. Open Chrome and click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. From there, select Settings, then scroll down to Privacy and Security. Next, click on Site Settings and scroll all the way down. You might not see sound immediately, so click on Additional Content Settings to expand the hidden menu. Now, click on Sound. Make sure Sites Can Play Sound is selected and check the Not Allowed list. If the website you're trying to use is listed, click the 3 dots next to it and select Remove. If that doesn't solve the issue, try clearing your cache and cookies. Head back to Privacy and Security and click on Delete Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files and Cookies, then click Clear Data. Before we dive deeper into Chrome, let's make sure your device's sound is turned up. Click on the speaker icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and make sure it's not muted. Simple, but easy to overlook. And there you have it. Your sound should be back in action. If it's still not working, try restarting Chrome or checking for updates. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.